The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Russian aerospace forces have neutralized the manpower and military equipment of the units from the 93rd Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine in Monochinovka in Kharkov region. The attack has resulted in the elimination of up to 100 militants and up to 20 units of military equipment, including one HIMARS, multiple rocket launching system. Fire attack launched at the units from the 14th Mechanized Brigade that made an unsuccessful attempt to pass through the Oskol River near Dvurechnoye in Kharkov region has resulted in the elimination of up to 30 enemy servicemen and 6 infantry combat vehicles. Russian aerospace forces have launched high-precision attacks at the provisional bases of the units from the 65th Mechanized Infantry Brigade, the 19th Escort Guard Battalion, and mercenaries from the Foreign Legion near Zaporozhye. The Ukrainian armed forces have lost up to 150 militants and 19 units of military equipment. High-precision air-based missiles have been launched at the provisional base of the 17th Tank Brigade and the munitions depot of the 80th Airborne Assault Brigade of the Ukrainian armed forces near Seversk in Donetsk People's Republic. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of over 90 Ukrainian servicemen, 15 units of military equipment, and more than 1,000 munitions for mortars. Fire attacks launched at the positions of the 60th Infantry Brigade near Novovoznetsenskoye and Mirolubovka in Kherson region have resulted in total neutralization of the 96th Battalion's combat capacity. The rest of the personnel have abandoned the operations area. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized one command post of a battalion from the 1st Tank Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Vysoloye in Donetsk People's Republic, 3 artillery platoons of US-manufactured M777 howitzers near Velikaya Kostromka in Dnepropetrovsk region, Dneprovskoye and Yavkino in Nikolaev region, as well as 1 platoon of HIMARS MRLS near Bereznegovatoye in Nikolaev region. Moreover, the manpower and military equipment of the units from the 14th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces have been neutralized near Gusinka in Kharkov region, the 46th Air Mobile Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces and Belogorka in Kherson region, as well as 72 artillery units, 138 Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 4 Ukrainian munitions and armament depots have been destroyed near Mochaninovka in Kharkov region, Poltavka and Dolgovskaya in Zaporozhye region. Air defense facilities have shut down 17 unmanned aerial vehicles near Berozovoye, Urozhainoye, Stepnoye, Valerianovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Ternovoye Pody in Nikolaev region, Maxima Gorkovo, Charivnoye, Stepnoye and Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region. In addition, 37 projectiles launched by multiple rocket launching systems, including 27 projectiles launched by HIMARS, have been destroyed in the air near Svatovo in Lugansk People's Republic, the Kakhovka hydroelectric plant and Kherson, as well as 10 projectiles launched by Olha near Makeyevka, Volnovaha in Donetsk People's Republic, Chervony Mayak in Kherson region and Kherson. 7 US-manufactured HARM anti-radar missiles have been shot down near Chernobyevka in Kherson region. In total, 295 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 2,035 unmanned aerial vehicles, 375 air defense missile systems, 5,073 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 842 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,406 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 5,786 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. Kiev regime continues its provocations aimed at creating a possible technological disaster at Zaporozhye nuclear power plant. Over the past 24 hours, the city of Energodar and the territory adjacent to Zaporozhye nuclear power plant have been attacked by 13 artillery projectiles. The attacks were launched from positions deployed near Marganets in Dnepropetrovsk region. Ukrainian units have been neutralized by a counter-attack launched by Russian artillery. The radiation environment at the Zaporozhye nuclear power plant remains normal. Complicated negotiations on an exchange of the 55 servicemen of the Russian armed forces, Donetsk and Lugansk People's Republics, who were in mortal danger being in captivity, returned this night from Kiev-controlled territory of Ukraine. All the servicemen have been transported by a military transport airplane to the Russian Federation and currently are treated in the healthcare facilities of the Russian Defense Ministry. All the liberated servicemen receive necessary psychological and medical aid.